So welcome students. In this topic, let us look at the introduction of the topic, properties of triangles. So we have come a long way in our study of trigonometry. Initially, we have studied trigonometry as the ratios in a right angle triangle. We have taken a right angle triangle and defined different trigonometric ratios as the ratio between the sides of a right angle triangle. Then we have moved on to study trigonometric ratios as functions which take in certain values of theta and gives out the values of trigonometric functions. In this topic, what we do is we try to use the concepts that we have learned till now, that is the concept of trigonometric functions and trigonometric ratios, to find the relations between the sides and angles of a general triangle. So if you have a general triangle, so let us say that the vertices be A, B and C. The side opposite to vertex A is usually called small a. The side opposite to vertex B is usually denoted by small b. The side opposite to vertex C is usually represented by small c. So in a triangle you have three vertices, three angles, angle A, angle B, angle C, and three sides. So in this topic, what we are going to see is some relations between the sides A, B, C, angles A, B, C. So how will these be related to one another? In different ways. And to understand that, we use some notations in this chapter. These are standard notations which you need to remember. The first notation is the notation of semi-perimeter. So A plus B plus C, obviously if you add the sides, we know that it represents the perimeter. So A plus B plus B by C by 2 is called the semi-perimeter, that is half of the perimeter, and this is denoted by S, a letter S. So whenever you see S, you need to understand A plus B plus C by 2. And we know that every triangle will have a certain in radius and a certain circumradius. So you have an in circle to a triangle, you have a circumcircle to a triangle. The radius of circumcircle is called circumradius. The radius of the in circle is called in radius. So the in radius is usually denoted in this chapter by small r. The circumradius in this chapter is denoted by capital R, and the area of the triangle is denoted by delta. So these are the standard notations that we are going to use as we go on in this chapter. So once you understand what we are going to deal in this chapter, come, let us go deep in this chapter.